Hi, I'm Ananda Roy. I'm a senior product manager here at Synaptics leading the low-power AI vision product line. Today we are going to show you an innovative AI-driven fall detection system. The AI algorithms for the fall detection has been developed internally at Synaptics by our computer vision team. Let's look at the demo. The demo shows fall detection. We have created a makeshift overhead frame and fitted the Katana evaluation kit on the top. The output of what the Katana sees is displayed on the screen through a Raspberry Pi Pico Streamer. As a person falls to the ground, underneath the frame in an 8 feet by 8 feet area, Katana AI algorithms detect a fall by posture estimation and flashes a fall message on the screen. If a person is just walking around in the same region without a fall, there is no message displayed. Falling is a leading cause of mortality around the world. We have a growing population of aging people, so these AI-driven fall detection systems are becoming increasingly prevalent. To address the ambient assisted living market, top security providers and service providers are looking to deploy these kind of systems. Thank you. For more information, go to synaptics.com/Katana.